Was there? Yeah. What
time is it?
10:30.
Time yet?
You know,
What's that time?
we could do this till about 11:15 or so.
We'll just wait. Hang
It's
on.
fun to shoot.
I'll try to get them to stop. I was gonna, but...
When they get the idea.
Look at Kyle.
Sorry, we don't have a medic with us.
I need one now.
Oh, here, let's get over here. Let's get over here.
You gotta try it.
She always wanted me to learn to
soldiers over there.
Re-enactment train of the day and your express throughout station track 2.
Everything got guns and we don't. And they're loud. Man, are those things loud. We're looking for people like you, resistance.
Did you see there is a person walking around here as a resistance?
Yes, I saw them, yeah.
Italy?
I saw one guy, he has white hair and...
Yeah. But I could not for the life of me figure out who he was supposed to be, so I asked him.
One bit on the right now.
Compadre, come and say Spread out, we'll carry you down to the back. These are real ones. Yeah, I got one. I got two.
What is your name? Ebenstein? You're safe. All aboard! Oops. Too fast. Ja, Oberstubenführer. Prima. Ja, ganz schön, ganz schön. Autobahn, Autobahn. Gut.
Dankjewel.
Stembankführer. Stubenbankführer? Ja. Okay.
Okay, if I can have your attention for a moment, please. We got a departure coming up shortly. I'd like to go over a few safety rules first of all. Once the train is in motion, please remain in your seat at all times. Please do not put your head or arms outside the window. We have some trays and some of the signals are pretty close to the car when we pass it. There's open water is fine, but please no open pop or food in the car. If you have to get up to a stand or something like that, please make sure you hold on. Do not cross between cars. This is something strictly for the train personnel and the crews only. A little side note on it, you see these gentlemen in the aisles here. I know during wartime in the U.S., there was a soldier on the train. The civilian would be asked to relinquish his seat and take the next train. I don't know if that was the same in Germany or not. So, it was?
Hey guys.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so
Dan?
apparently it was the same thing. Soldiers had priority over everything.
Dan, are we opening another car in the front?
If we need it,
Okay. Another car.
we hope you enjoy your trip. And probably I understand we might have a 11:30 or 11:40 departure time. So otherwise, enjoy yourself. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer.
No, I don't know. I don't think I did.
I don't see the small.
Okay, we just want to give you a quick little introduction to the Deutsche Reichsbahn, which was the German National Railway. Between 1920 and 1945, the German National Railway was the largest corporation in the world. It was the GM of its day. They not only were involved in railroad traffic, but also merchant traffic by aircraft, by boat, by truck. They covered the full gamut of transportation. There were two police departments that worked for the German National Railway, the Bahnschutzpolizei, who were the police officers for the railway, and the Wasserschutzpolizei, which were kind of like a Coast Guard organization. They patrolled the waterways and protected the interest of the Reichsbahn. The individual you see dressed like us out on the ramp with the red hat was and still is to this day on German railroads called der Aufsicht, which literally means the overseer. He's a station master. The reason for the red hat, and the red hat was only worn while on the station platform, and is today only worn on the station platform, is in order for the engineers to be able to clearly see him, so that when he gave the signal for the doors to close and the trains to leave, they would be able to spot him readily in a crowded platform. And we hope you enjoy your ride today. Have a gute Reise.
Danke.
Bitte schön. You'll feel that? Yeah. Right. Front.
Roten Führer!
I don't know, I can't see. It's called below.
Here, entirely incidental.
Yeah, partisans.
No, he seems to be just one.
done.
What are you trying to do? What you got? Another weapon? Nothing? Watch out. What is this? You like that? We have plans for you. Let me see my friend. Tell me where I go. Where? Oh, get him. Now. Where are you? This is indignant. I don't care what it is. Go. I'm asking you again. Get him again? No. Now. Have your head back. On the track. Where? On the track in the ambush in the bushes. You can show me? Yes. Check in for intelligence. Permission. That's permission. Permission for what? Being attacking us? What are you waiting for? My papers, my identity. Where are you going? Where are you going? Civitechy. What is your business? What is your business? They don't give you permission to shoot here. They took it from me. Gone. Why would you have a pistol?
Why do you have a pistol?
Nothing.
Was ist das?
Nothing.
Nothing. Gestapo headquarters.
Right here, we have the woman up front. She has nothing else on her. Nothing. These two have anything, they will have it.
What's that? Ammunition.
Gas! Patons!
No career.
The shoes!
Nein. Wer ist Ihr Gewehr?
Sie, bitte.
Wer ist Ihr Gewehr?
Entschuldigen Sie.
Wer ist Ihr Gewehr?
Sie verstehen Deutsch? Verstehen Sie English? You realize that you can talk to us or you talk to the Gestapo?
Yes.
At least with us, you have a chance. You know the Gestapo.
I did not mean to fire. It was only I. Those two did not fire. I was frightened.
You fired at me!
I was frightened. I made a mistake.
Von der Gestapo. You right, you think. Was ist los? Was ist los? Herr Leutnant! Ritrangio! Wir anhalten. They have a bomb train coming through. We have to stop.
Ah, ist gut.
Herr Leutnant, I offer a train. I want him. I will trade you the woman.
You want a woman?
Do you want her?
Ja.
Bring him here. Fräulein! What's going? Fräulein! Come in here! Dude! Watch him! Fräulein, if you will not talk to us, you will talk to them.
Nein!
Ja!
Nein!
Go!
Nein!
Kommen Sie, Fräulein.
Schnell! Schnell! Außen, schnell!
be able to use that.
Please, officer.
Yeah.
Please, officer.
Move this train!
Then you know what? Welcome to the world of the SS. You can have him back.
Those guys.
Take the gun! I do not fight partisans. I fight soldiers. Partisans are cowards. They hide in the dark. Soldiers look at you. Mein Herr.
Folks, we're headed back into the station. We ask that you remain seated until we're fully stopped. Take them either on the coach. And while they have your attention, how about a round of applause for our actors?
Get the back! Up! Back! Achtung! Antreten! Achtung! Antreten! Schnell! Schnell! Achtung!
Someone still has a pistol.
Okay.
Das wäre Order!
Keep holding.
Yeah. I'm here to help you out. I'll give you that. I'm good.
Jim, you stay with them. We'll move the rest of the guys over to the shade. Step out.
Achtung! Wo haben wir das gelernt?
Hell, they get a picture of Jacob. I want to learn him to get your friend. He's actually a spy for him.
Gruppe! Links oben! Vorwärts! Stark! Links! Oben!
The Lone Ranger?
Yeah, it's to keep my head cool.
Oh, that is.
That's it. I got smart.
Uh-huh.
I usually wear a black hat. I got
Well,
smart.
you want to do it today. Any hat is hot today. I don't care what color.
What kind of a suit and cap they were wearing in my
To supply the Gothic line and stop the Americans from their advance up the boot of Italy. It's rail junctions and railroads that can actually supply in large enough quantity the ammunition of artillery, rifles, machine guns, and the food and the equipment that's necessary to support modern war. Without these railroads, this war could not happen. We, as a small defense force, are trying to defend this rail yard because we have heard that there are American elements of a reconnaissance unit just outside of this town. We're checking the trains right now looking for saboteurs. They're constantly trying to sabotage the trains or blow the tracks to prevent the Germans from moving. If the Americans capture this, it'll be a blow to German, it'll be a blow further defensive effort in Italy. After the battle, we will give you the all clear order. Don't come in before that. We're able to pick up all the spent brass that we shot. But if you have anything that was the primer is not struck on or done with the salt and pepper shaker, please turn it into a reenactor. Thank you.
They have out here those things there?
If it didn't get hit, it's possible it could still go up.
Very interesting.
Oh, they're coming with jeeps. Jeeps.
Can you help Mom up?
Oh,
Thank you.
Your
wrist is cracked.
The guy can get ambushed. One of the guys are going to get ambushed. Oh.
boxed in.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, he's taking pictures.
I just got you in the head, buddy.
Yeah, that guy over there.
That guy's gonna ambush him.
Fritz, I just shot you in the head, buddy.
I'm wounded. I got the leg on the shoulder.
Here comes the Americans.
They're faking to die.
Get their weapons. I got him.
Hey, watch out, we got a live one coming. Right here. On the hole.
Stay here, son. Stay here.
That one is wounded.
There's a front. Come on. Medic, securement in this rail yard. We'll cut off the units in this area. They'll be forced to move back because they'll be cut off from their supplies. This will help the Americans move up the boot of Italy just that much further. Thank you very much for attending.
Hey, don't get your helmet. Get off the field.
Oh, that one. Thank you. I'll be making that Sunday. It's 2 weeks.
I don't know. Nobody's,
Joe's supposed to be partaking some of it.
Them with the World War I Dutch carbines, and this one was modified to fire the 303 British, so I can use 303 British blanks in it.
Great job, Partisan. You had me fooled.
I lucked out. I had a German shooting at me, so I could take a hit in a timely manner. Yes.
Well, I saw you on the train. You were great.
Yes. I almost borrowed your hat.
I would have let you use
on the
it.
train. They were
they were checking people.
And they were ignoring me.
Right.
So I fitted in with the crowd, took off my pistol belt, took off my coat, sent it over by a guy and put on his hat. So I've got a Caterpillar tractor baseball hat on.
Right, a cat hat.
I knew Germans just kept ignoring me. So, hey. I don't mind.
That was fabulous. That was fabulous.
Inside joke with the people.
I'm gonna,